Hello, friends. We are starting our Organized Self Employment Ministry and Budget 52nd session from our originating place, that is Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha place, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, from India, from room number 1 to 6, with the concept that we will be able to make right in a democratic, non-violence, unity manner, right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 year, for self-earning, self-income, certain caste, certain fiscal credits showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. We should start self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month swing. For this, I have made Labour Party of India with fist of the hand as the national symbol. Before starting our 52nd session, first of all, we should do worship with our folded hand, the ancient style, Shiv Puran, 12 shadow documents, Jyotir Mandir of Shiv Shakti, and 175 crore Jyotir Mandir of Shiv Shakti. Room number 2, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran, 12 Jyotir Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, and 175 crore Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Mandir documented. Room number 3, Brahma Saraswati, Brahma Brahmani, Chaturana Veena Pustak Dharani, Brahma Puran, that is ISBN Puran by 12 Jyotir Hindu Sanatan Dharma book certificate, and 112 materialistic Hindu book ISBN certificate with truth only term first 8190186002X, copyright number 954/03/COL, truth only terms book written by me, 6 unborn family, for organized self employment ministry, and 175 crore all materialistic book of Hindu. Room number 4, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagwat, 12 Jyotir Mandir of Adi Shakti Jagdamba, and 175 crore Adi Shakti Jagdamba Mandir, and 12 materialistic book of the Adi Shakti Jagdamba, means women of Hindu women, those who have won Padam Shri, Bharat Ratna, and 175 crore materialistic book of Hindu women separately for Hindu women. Room number 5, each United Varshkrit, Gordon Mithila Varshkrit, and North, South, East, West, Central India Varshkrit, and 100 Upanishad, 18 Puranas, and 4 Vedas, and the ISBN certificate of all, so that we have organized it and we are moving with the organized manner. And room number 6, 31st August 1946, Clement Attlee, Prime Minister, Labour Party of India, Labour Party of Britain, document, and 15-member interim government, 2nd October 1946 to 14 August 1947, and then constitutional body documents, and up till now the representatives of Parliament and Vidhan Sabha's document, shadow documents we are putting, and on this we are organizing our system and becoming self-employed government servant in democratic manner. The national face shows that we are the sons of Kailasdham, Vaikundam, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. 6 unborn rays are coming to our hearts. Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and Government Dham. We have organized national level 750 organized family who is representing our parliament, and 4,500 MPs, MLAs who are representing our Vidhan Sabha. I am adding in it 750 into 6, 4,500 national families, because this 6 rays is also saying one family is devoted politician, one family is devoted industrialist, one family is devoted educationist or Hindu scientist or Hindu lawyers or Hindu editor, one family is devoted woman family, one family is truth non-violence, and one family is government. So we have joined it by signature. I, Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, has joined it by signature, because by putting the signature and putting ourselves, I have tried to explain this concept with 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan concept, so that all are moving in their own field in specialization. I have tried to make specialization on the basis of employment equilibrium point, 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below. Those of us, we who are earning 30,000 per month above per month, they are recognized as organized employed, and those who are not earning 30,000 per month above, they are recognized organized self-employed. And then I have made the bridge between that organized self-employment promotion bridge between 30,000 per month below and 30,000 per month above. On the document level, when we are signaturing, we will try to take the signature of the representative of shadow document mandirs who are alive and working for the development of the rays of Kailas Dham, Vaikunth Dham, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and Government Dham. And the documents we will try to worship by making the idol of Shiv Parvati, that is welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Amit Avalasa, that is Chaturbhuj, and Lakshmi, Prabhu Lakshmi, that is live money, Brahma Saraswati, that is ISBN Puran, that is law education, Adi Shakti Jagadamba, non-widowed husband, that is family and non-widowed husband, each united Varshit God and Goddess, that is each united Varshit God and Goddess, and government, that is Hindu government stamp, male and female. So on this, it is showing that we are organizing, and we are materialistic also, and we are spiritual also. Every time we will try to signature every month when we will get fiscal credit salary on our constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate. The rays of hope which has been generated by Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, by writing 31st August 2001 and 16 February 2016. That is why this organized worship of Hinduvas I have tried to make, so that all profession starts working on that and generate the trust in Labour Party, fist of the hand, and uniform constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate and fiscal credit. If all political parties president signaturing uniform constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate and employment equilibrium point, 30,000 per month above, 30,000 per month below, automatically a parliamentary bill will be passed and 3 budget will be formed. Annual budget 100 ministry, from 1816 we have railway budget, and 1 ministry from 1860 we have. Organized self-employment ministry and budget will be formed, and we all will be getting fiscal credit salary. which is our aim, and we will become self-employment government job servant, and we will have double salary, one from the private sector where we are working and one from the organized self-employment ministry budget side, which work I have done for last 21 years through Labour Party of India and Fist of the Hand, by generating uniform system of constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate, and understanding the contribution. As our politician forefathers who were from working in organized manner from 31st December 1885, they did not demanded money, because in those days what was extra we were spending for our popularity and our status. Now we are entering into the money phase, materialistic phase, where everything is required, money is required. So I am trying to do the system where by the politicians' work also we will see per month fiscal credit salary. This is the work of Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha, who is trying to explain you these things. Like we are fighting for the rights, right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 year, fundamental rights, right of educational certificate in capital value, make organized self-employment ministry, constitutional validity on income work. Try to understand, in those days, in this 17th century, equality right, liberty right, and fraternity right were fought. But in those days, power sharing was easy. Now, indirect power sharing is everyone is doing, and we all have the voting power in our hand. And maximum we can show that we will not vote one political party and we will vote other political party. But the policies do not changes, because we are permanent resident of this country and we are knowing each other. In these circumstances, generation of employment through politics can be done by the document system, because 6 type of unbound documents are there. One is political document, who are devotedly working in politics and doing welfare. One is devotedly industrialist, who are devotedly 24/7 36 days they are working for the industrial development, as much profit, capitalism. And one is educationist, lawyers, Hindu, scientists, and editors, who are day and night researching, generating the faith in the system of organized. And one is devoted woman, who is day and night working and thinking the welfare of our family. And one is government and she government, who is day and night according to the law is working. So in these circumstances, we have to understand that if we are putting the 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan, which I call, which is attached to 26 January 1950 Rashtrapati Bhavan, 20 into 6 Aadhaar card, 20 crore into 6 Aadhaar card is being beared by them. So on that basis, the acknowledgement is coming from the Amiteshwar Jhawad and the Amit Kumar Jhawad, where the acceptance from the society by signature that our work is also coming, which is being acknowledged, that we are also creating employment. How? Like saving equality right, saving liberty right, saving fraternity right, trying to generate constitutional validity on income, work, and educational certificate, which means that what work we are doing, that is being acknowledged by the parliament, and on that basis pension, gratuity, provident fund, DNS allowance is coming. And the control from the united political parties, who are understanding the concept of Labour Party of India, because all political parties in democracy, where India is multi-party system, everyone has his ideology and standards of the worker is also different. 30,000 per month above, 30,000 per month below standard is also there. The people who are 30,000 per month above, their ideology is attached to the political party, automatically standard is high. The below 30,000 per month political parties are attached, automatically the standard is idealistic. So we are trying to make it uniform. One acknowledgement uniform is that we have 130 crore population or we have 120 crore population. Second acknowledgement I am trying to create that we are the sons and daughters of the Kailasdham, Vaikundam, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Prasadam and government Dham. Make this as the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and then by the representatives and the followers. We all are following, because if self-employment government job is being made and on our work pension, gratuity, provident fund, dearness allowance is being given in the preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, and by the organized self-employment bridge is made also for promoting to 30,000 per month above by the document method. Automatically a organized raise is path which is being utilized by each and every Indians. As we have made Election Commission of India with one vote for we all, by this system I am making fiscal credit per month soar. Election Commission of India, automatically we will all are becoming fiscal credit salary takers. So when we are entering where we want to join, we will be given the choice posting whichever city we are joining, from 0 to 18 if required, and 18 to 58 for all, and we are given promotion every 4 years. Of course, due to the pressure of 130 crore population, each one is getting suppose 1 rupees. That means 130 crore is included in the budget. That work is being given signature, all politicians are signaturing. Automatically we are giving validity that by their 16.66% contributor we are making this. And apart from this, 16.66% is contributed by Hindu industries, 16.66 is contributed by Hindu educationists or Hindu scientists or Hindu editors or Hindu lawyers. 16.66% is contributed by the Hindu women, 16.66% is contributed by the Hindu Truth and Non-Violence, and 16.66% is contributed by the Democratic Hindu government, he and he government. So in this way what we are making a system where acknowledgement, and by the organized self-employment measure, when we are taking fiscal credit salary, I am trying to make the system by the uniform signature that organized self-employment ministry central manager and organized self-employment ministry state manager or organized self-union wherever we are posted, as this is chief minister path, lieutenant governor path, and the prime minister path and the president path by the document method, because 130 crore population is there, each one is scattered all over India. We are organizing in Sardapur room number 126 by the document method as the sons and daughters of Kailasdham, Vaikundam, Saddham, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham, with Labour Party of India fist of the hand and uniform multi-political party democratic system, where the signature of the political president, automatically we start the documented system of Amit Ishwar Jhawad and Amit Kumar Jhawad. And in this way we are giving validity that our politicians are devotedly working, and by this briefing means 1 day of the month, any day where the salary is coming, any day has been allotted by the organized self-employment manager, we are appearing either on the Zoom or on the Google Meet or by the live in the office, and there the accountant that where we are working. Most probably technology is there, so by the Zoom or by the Google Meet we can be we can appear in the office, because here the double salary system is there, optional work is there, everyone is scattered in Calcutta, Delhi, Mumbai, Madras, all over India, in the village or in the cities. So by that app we are appearing, and the organized self-employment state manager or UT manager is asking where we are working and all these things. 10-20 minutes meeting, and similarly one state political party and national political party managers are also sitting, because 16.66% is coming for organized setup. Try to understand this, because per month we are getting fiscal credit salary and one assurance throughout life, that yes, Amiteshwar Jha and Amit Kumar Jha has made this concept, and also we all unitedly signatured on that, Amiteshwar Jhaism and Amit Kumar Jhaism, and automatically we are following this principle. On this we get organized from the Shardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, room number 126, Labour Party of India, fist of the hand, national symbol, and understanding each other, multi-political party dimension, and also understanding that we are the sons of Kailasdam, Bakundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagadambadam, each united God and Goddessdam. And automatically when we by the union territory, and organized self-employed manager who is also signatory, because the salary will come in preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, fiscal credit salary. So 20 minutes meeting, 20 to 30 minutes meeting, either on Zoom app or the Google Meet, or on the live. We are meeting at the central New Delhi, on that managers and the bureaucrats who are also six son of this system, by the document system, because they are meeting at Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha point by document system, and then we are shifting it to the president and prime minister, chief ministers and opposition leaders. So central political, national political party managers also we are appearing, we are talking, we are working here for 1 hour or half an hour we can talk, and political manager also we can talk what is bill and other thing, because political managers can be appointed by the political parties who can take the meeting on that, and signature automatically will prove that the politicians are also working in democratic manner, in organized manner, and we are trying to make the vote. And on the election day, we before when the election is announced, we are multi-political party system. We will be announcing our name, and the election will be like the campaign we will do, that we have been asking with our voters and in touch with that, because it is 5 year duration. So 5 year duration we are in touch per month with you, all the voters and all organized self-employed, because it is mixing, but this time we are allowed. When we mixed on 26 January 1950, 33 crore population was there, but now it is 120 crore. By the document method we are, means I, Amiteshwar Jha, Amit Kumar Jha is trying to make you the documents, means 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan unborn and their 4 generation born. So means 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan is attached to 1 Rashtrapati Bhavan. In that we are trying to make the system. So because the one who is 100% owner is there, means all dham is 100% owner, but we have to move the society in uniform manner, because the organized development is always beautiful than the unorganized development, because there is fear of anything. And if we are writing that we are the sons of Kailasdam, Bakundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagadambadam, each united God and Goddessdam and government dam, 6 father and 6 mother, automatically it means explain that the Shiv Puran is in front of me, Shiv Mandir is in front of me, Vishnu Puran in front of me, Vishnu Mandir, Ram Mandir and Krishna Mandir is there, Amit Mandir is there, Brahma Saraswati means ISBN libraries, Hindu libraries are there, Adi Shakti Jagadamba means Durga Trinitra is there, and the Varshkrit Government means each united culture is there of north, south, east, west, central India and Mithila, and the government is stamp is there. So on that basis we are seeing it by the document method, and we are signaturing and putting it to the elected representative of the parliament and making parliament. So we are becoming organized, and by political manager and organized self-employment, when our salary is being made, because what fiscal credit table I am holding, one organized fiscal credit table will be made by uniform multi-political party system, because by this we will recognize that we will uniformly follow 30,000 per month above and 30,000 per month below policy, and 70% of population is 30,000 per month below, and 30% of the population is 30,000 per month above under. Promotion system automatically I have attached 4-year promotion, because infinite population, infinite what work we are doing, that I have tried to put in constitutional variety, so that we will not have to take so much training. Little bit training will be given automatically. We will understand Amiteshwar Jhaism and Amit Kumar Jhaism. There is nothing to be taught in that, as we are taking the education system syllabus, class 10th, class 12 graduate and postgraduate syllabus and PhD syllabus. Similarly, here no syllabus is there, and by the document method we are organizing in the constitutional variety by the Labour Party of India, fist of the hand, and by the signature of political party, and document system is being made. We are being posted by the from the Prime Minister side to any of the Rashtrapati Bhavan, and from the Chief Minister to the anywhere. To have organized self-employed manager are there, one from the UT or state managers, and one from the central manager, and state political party president, political manager. Political parties are working under this setup also, because we are acknowledging that the organized politicians are knowing everything, and they have been working in the area from 31st August 1885. Of course, we all have become elder, and now we do not acknowledge the work of our seniors, that we are thinking that we can also make political party and popularize this, but respect and the various things comes by the time, and for that we have to see the document. So by this method we are able to make a system which will be blessing from our seniors also, and junior will also follow what the senior follow, because basically what is there in the materialistic world, one is successful, other follows that. The first person has to make one of the strong benchmark to stand, but after that, once the path is made, what Gandhiji did, and it is being followed by full Indians. Now what I am trying to make is that the self-employment government job system by the democratic way. In this I have tried to put the signature method. Once the establishment in the mind in democratic manner, we can have fiscal credit salary by the democratic method, and the politician work can be acknowledged in this way also as the employment creator in democracy, because what work we are doing, that is being giving validity, and for that one table and one chair is provided automatically, gradually, self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit is being provided, and apart from this, to control court martial range has been made, because 6 type of ultimate sovereign are there: politicians, industrialists, educationists, lawyers, Hindu scientists, Hindu editors, then Hindu women, then truth non-violence, and the government. All are sovereign in their own respect. All are joining at the point with 6 Rashtrapati 1 to 1.26 January 1950 Rashtrapati 1. Similarly, in government, in democracy, everyone mouth is open. You, I, we all have the power to make political party and start conversing with our manifesto. But what is there? Uniform voting system is required, because then only the uniform development can be done. Otherwise the per capita will not also increase, and the uniformity of information will be not there. So that is why I am emphasizing that all political party, if they are signaturing on this fiscal credit table, what will happen? Uniform system is developed. Everyone is knowing each one personal capacity. You are knowing my personal capacity, I am knowing you personal capacity. So in that circumstances, we have already tried to discuss 30,000 per month above earner and 30,000 per month below earner, so that the voting pattern also develop in proper organized manner, that six type of uniform society is there. We are giving universal. We cannot change the ideology of people in one day, but by regular signature and by knowing that this person is also self-employed. If he is doing his work and he getting fiscal credit, though 1 rupees or 2 rupees, what is the harm in that? Because a person can keep 3 day fast, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Friday, Saturday, Sunday fast, and automatically in 7 days 3 day fast he can save. Suppose he is getting 5 rupees, he can save 2 rupees automatically weekly. So like this system can be developed, and document system is giving him fiscal credit salary. On this he can take housing loans and two-wheelers loans and three-wheelers loans or four-wheelers loan. Automatically status also increasing, because both family members are getting. And also I have tried to put educational certificate in capital value. Educational certificate in capital value is giving a strong base point, because we are becoming human capital by the gradual progress, and no pressure is gone, because one wants to become a materialistic money earner. So the ladder I am trying to provide it by educational certificate in capital value. Labour Party is just telling that by the signature method we are becoming the sons and daughters of Kailasdam, Bakundam, Saddam, Adi Shakti, Jagadamba Dham, each united God and Goddess Dham and government Dham. And then we are worshipping Pushpanjali between 31st August to 11th September, and then putting in the Ganga, Yamuna, Krishna, Kaveri all over India rivers, that Murti. And then again start working again 16 February to 26 February, making 6 pair ideal, and then again worshipping Pushpanjali Aarti, and then again putting in the Ganga, Yamuna, Krishna, Kaveri all over India rivers and the seas, and automatically Amiteshwar Jhaism and Amit Kumar Jhaism flourishes. And on the level we are per month getting fiscal credit salary, and we are giving briefing to our organized self-employment state manager, who will be in touch with the chief minister, and organized self-employed central manager, who will be in touch with the prime minister in a democratic manner. And political managers will be also there, because uniform signature on the fiscal credit table by the all political parties, because we are multi-political party. We are knowing our weakness and we are knowing our strength, and in democracy we all our mouth is open. So by uniform syllabus we are signaturing it, and we will put 12 Jyotir Mandir in front, so that influencing will be done automatically. The present MPs and MLAs are influential for us, and we will acknowledge by the political manager meeting. We will keep the political manager meeting with the voters of the local area, so that any political party privately can also popularize. We are taking initiative for this protection and that protection, so that the public manager. And per month fiscal credit is also given by the government. That is all political party government, because all political party is working for the welfare only. Everyone tries to put the tree, but the tree will come and it will give shade. It depends on the nature. So that is what I am trying to put. I am trying to put the tree of Labour Party of India fist of the hand, 31st August 2001, and I am trying to generate employment by giving validity on our income work educational certificate, so that at 18 years when we start thinking that where we have to work, automatically we are entering into organized self-employment. As we have become habituated that immediately after 5 years we try to find out any school, that whether near about any school is there which is in our range, where I can put our children. Similarly, the ministry system by the constitutional validity will give us chance, and automatically we will join in that ministry and we will be employed, and fiscal credit will come. What we have to do, we have to go 30,000 per month above. Then that is also fact that 70% of the people are 30,000 per month below. So in that only we will try to believe, and we will celebrate all the festivals of Hindu Sanatan Dharma, Ramnavami, Krishnastami, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati Puja, Kali Puja, Ekadashi, Dwadashi, Triyodashi, all types of puja. Apart from this, 16 February to 26 February, 6 pair making, and then putting in the Ganga after King Pushpanjali and Aarti and all, and then 31st August to 11th September every year, and then Pushpanjali Aarti, Bomb Penso Puja, and after that putting in Ganga. So employment is also generated. Everyone is busy in the activities, and automatically we will try to generate the employment as everyone is employed all over India. And by self posting we can work Calcutta, Delhi, Mumbai, Madras, all over India, Bengaluru, all over India. And double salary system is coming by the Labour Party of India system, because one fiscal credit salary is fixed, and after that one private sector salary we will get, and we are getting also those who are interested extra work, and one from the business what we personally do. So automatically three salary system will come. Means we have to acknowledge by the document system of Amiteshwar Vad, Amit Vad, Amit Kumar Jha Vad, so that we will be able to make the organized self-employment. I am trying to make you understand in organized self-employment ministry 52nd session that this is the system which is giving 100% employment, and by the signature method we are making a system of employment generation, and this political managers outlook will be changed, because for last 65 years we political parties have not been taking in Gandhism, we did not took the signature, only the organized employed people gave the signature for the salary, but here we are taking unorganized sector 100%, and by the 100% system we are trying to make the signature method. Means those who are not signature known, they will give thumb impression, because we will acknowledge that they are laborers and laborers are doing this, and suppose the respected family members are there, rich people are there, so we will acknowledge this, and we will try to understand this, because adjustment in society is very necessary, and so it is very important to understand, adjust our law according to that. This is democracy. Employment is one of the big problem, and regular income is also one of the big problem, and insecurity of each other is also one of the big problem, because we do not we are scattered in 1175 crore mandir all around. Our population is scattered between 1175 crore mandir, because each family has 170, and the Shiv Puran has 175 crore mandir, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran has 175 crore mandir, Brahma Puran, Brahma Saraswati Puran, that is ISBN Puran, that is Library Puran has 175 crore Hindu ISBN certificate of all the subject, and Adi Shakti Jagadamba Puran has 175 crore mandir, and each United Varshkrit Goddess has customs 175 crore different custom, and Government Puran also has 175 crore documents of gadgets of India. So by this method, by the document, we are joining at the Amit Kumar Jha, Amiteshwar Jha point, and uniform documented system we are making in democracy, and passing the budget in the parliament, organized self-employment ministry budget. Automatically what is happening? A development is coming, a development for the betterment, a development for the regular income, and one puja we are putting between 31st August to 11th September and 26th February to 16th February, 26th February, a united organized puja where we are not demarcating from the point. We are making the syllabus 12 Jyotirmandir documents and moving on that path. So materialistic path we are moving, and we are thinking 30,000 per month above is the senior earner, and 30,000 per month is the average earner. So in that way automatically we are developing our society, because we only have to understand our underdeveloped economy, and we only have to find out the ways. 130 crore Aadhaar cards are there all over India, and we are moving. Some of we are organized, 30% of the people we are organized, we are understanding each other, but still 70% who are not understanding. We have to understand, we have to join Labour Party, we have to come to Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. We have to make a uniform system, and by the constitutional validity on income, work, educational certificate, and we have to generate the employment by the constitutional validity on our income, work, and educational certificate. What will happen? We will become self-employed government servant, and fiscal credit system will start coming. We will try to develop our culture tradition on that basis that we are the sons of Kailash Damba Kundam Saddam Adi Shakti Jagdamba Dham, each united God and Dam and government Dham, and our Rashtrapati, the elected republic president and governor will post us according to the direction of prime minister and chief ministers, and per month fiscal credit salary we are also getting, and double salary in private sector, sometimes triple by the opening own business we will get. So by this I am concluding this organized self employment ministry 52nd session at the Sardapur Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717, room number 126 by Pushpanjali Aarti, and folding my hands, and we followers, those who are following me, followers hand with Shiv Puran 12 Jyotir Mandir and 175 crore Jyotir Mandir document, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Amit Puran 12 document, shadow document Mandir, and 175 crore shadow document of the Mandir. ISBN Puran, that is Brahma Saraswati Puran 12, the spiritual Sanatan Dharma Jyotir ISBN certificate, and 12 materialistic Bharat Ratna and Padam Shri and Nobel Prize Hindu book, and 175 crore Hindu all writers book with ISBN certificate. Then room number 4 Adi Shakti Jagdamba 12 Adi Shakti Jagdamba book, and 175 crore Mandir book, and 12 materialistic book of Hindu women, and 175 crore materialistic book of Hindu women with Pushpanjali Aarti and ISBN certificate. And fifth room the Durga, the Varshkrit, Hindu Varshkrit, Nitla Varshkrit, and the Hindu United each god and goddess Varshkrit, north, south, east, west, central India, 100 Upanishad, 18 Puranas and 4 Vedas, ISBN certificate Pushpanjali Aarti. And room number 6 Hindu government Clement Attlee document, Independence Act document, 15th member appointed by him 2nd September 1946 to 15th August 1947. Then our Constitutional Assembly members the certificate, and then shadow certificate, and all members of parliament and MPs and MLAs shadow documents Pushpanjali and Aarti, so that in organized way we develop organized self-employment ministry. By Pushpanjali Aarti we become organized self-employed government servant in democratic truth signature with the documented democratic signature economy. Thank you.